Teacher May Tiburcio, that I never want to make fake account in Facebook. Thank you, Teacher May Tiburcio. You are the great woman in power. At least you are very iron lady, very tough, rough, and rogue, like Margaret Thatcher, like Miriam Defensor Santiago. At least Teacher May Tiburcio says to me, oh, the making fake account in Facebook is not really good. Oh, that was I just said. Oh, I said to the friends of Ronald Rebena, if I were you, pagsabihan mo na to si Danmar, tigilan niya paggawa ng mga fake account or dummy accounts. You know, for me, I never want to make fake account in Facebook. I have to be responsible in social media. Oh, just like I said before, when I create a fake account, oh, I do not want to create fake account in Facebook. At least, I listen to Teacher May. Oh, Teacher May is really has lots of concerns. Oh, even Teacher Ruth Ibarrientos have lots of concerns too. But for us, we do not make fake account. Me, I call with Carlos Santos Fernandez in Messenger. I just want to tell Danmar, pagsabihan mo to si Danmar, wag siya gagawa ng fake account. At least Carlos Santos Fernandez had reprimanded Danmar Dayao to stop creating fake account. Do you know Danmar Dayao? Millions of Filipinos were being scammed by Bongbong Marcos, who's really bangag. I just said before, me, I am not a Marcos loyalist. Danmar Dayao and Eskel Penumbra, and even the other Marcos loyalists, even Tony Gonzaga, Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog, you don't know who those people are, and maybe Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Ate Dina Guillermo. All of you have no responsibility. Like I said before, like for me, I have lots of responsibility in social media and Facebook. And I'm not talking about politics. I'm not politicalize everyone. Yes, perhaps. Do not talk about politics. You know that, Danmar. For me, what I have to say to Danmar Dayao, quit on your creating politics. You know me, when I was in the time when I create my YouTube video, how to be responsible in social media, I listen to Teacher May. I listen to Teacher May. I never create fake account. At least look at Paulo Cruzada. He was scolded by his mother for creating a bomb jokes and bomb threats. Look at the husband of Gina Sedjo. She reprimanded his wife, Gina Sedjo, and even her son, Jeffrey. They should never create fake account. They should never create bomb threats in social media. You, Danmar Dayao, you should be listen to your parents. You should listen to your mom. When you say, or say to you, like if I were saying that that mother of Danmar Dayao said, so Danmar, wag kang gagawa ng fake account. Baka pag gumawa ka ng fake account ng Rodelio Daguman, makakasuhan ka pa, like I said. You know, for you, Danmar Dayao, do not create fake account in Facebook. Kuya Bear is warning at you. When those people who are anti-Marcos respect their own opinion. Just like I said, me, I've been responsible. What I just heard that from Teacher May. Thanks Teacher May Tiburcio for advising the members of Hands Inclusion Philippines that how to be responsible in social media. We discussed that in current events. Even thanks to Teacher Ruth Ibarrientos that how can we use social media etiquette, being ourselves as responsibility. We have to be responsible. If I were you, Danmar, do not create fake account. If you create fake account, Danmar, you're creating trolls. You're creating dummy accounts. Oh, is this what you like, to create dummy accounts? To harass the Duterte supporters? To harass Rodelio Daguman? Eskel Penumbra? And Danmar Dayaw? It's not good. You know, for me, being as a good person, as I'm an autism, I never make fake account in Facebook. For me, I just want to apologize, Joshua Cruz Titoy, yeah. If you're watching this in my video, Joshua Cruz Titoy, I'm here to apologize to you. I'm the one who create fake account. Even you, even you, Tita Carol Cruz, Carolina Cruz. I know this is my fault that I'm the one who made fake account in Facebook. Oh, at least we have that lesson from Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, you know, Danmar Dayaw, listen to your friends. You do not know what you're talking about, or you make fake account. You harass teacher. You harass not only the teachers, I could say. You harass Rodelio. O, Kuya Rodelio Daguman is not related to politics. Danmar Dayaw. Me, I harass teacher Gio Malana. Oh, for what I did to him. This is my fault. Oh, I'm the one who create fake account. I just want to remember, making fake account, it's not really good. Oh, here's the one thing to all of I'm saying. Oh, Roylan Marlang had said to me, oh, hindi po yan si Rodelio Daguman, o fake account yan. You need to stop. Oh, you see that Carlos Santos Fernandez said, Danmar Dayaw, he just what he said before, he said to you, you need to stop creating fake account. Oh, tigilan mo na yan, Danmar. Kasi puro ka kasi gaguluhan, o puro ka ganyan, no. You know, one day I just want to tell to Danmar Dayaw, if the family of Kuya Rodelio Daguman has a arrest warrant, if they file the cases against you, do not blame me. Do not blame Roylan. Do not blame Cedric. Oh, this is your fault. Oh, kasalanan mo yan. That's not your idea. Do not blame other people. That is your fault. Look at me, Danmar. When I apologize, Wawel Romero, when I create fake account, what did I do? I apologize to Wawel Romero because me, I'm very angry at Danmar Dayaw and Ate Dina Guillermo. They should stop creating fake account. Alright, because you know, if you create trolls, or Ate Dina Guillermo is responsible for creating fake account of Mrs. Annie Gill. Danmar Dayaw is responsible to create fake account of Rodelio Daguman. He's not doing anything against him. Oh, he's doing his work. He's overwhelmed working in his office in Muntinlupa. Oh, in Muntinlupa City, oh, has lots of work to do. You know, Danmar, everyone hates Marcos. You do not know what you're talking about. Oh, Carlos Santos Fernandez said to you, when you create fake account, oh, makakasuhan, madidemanda ka pa sa pamilya ni Kuya Rodelio Daguman. And you know what will be happen to you? You will get arrested by NBI or and the PNP, or you don't know what you're talking about. Not really good. For me, when I have to be responsible in social media, Here's the one thing to those Marcos loyalista who were fake Filipinos. Romeo TV Vlog, Sangkay Janjan, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jima Casandil, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Ate Dina Guillermo, and even Eskel Penumbra, and Dan Mardayaw, and Jam Magno. Oh. Listen to Teacher May. If Teacher May was there, you know, all of you should be responsible how to use Facebook, how to use social media. Simple. Oh, look at Mark Dion. Oh, he's never make fake account. Oh, look at Paulo Siaco, the son of Ate Mirsol. Oh, he never make fake account. Oh, me, I don't want to create fake account. Fake account in Facebook, that is a cyberbullying. Me, I have to be responsible as I'm a Facebook user. Oh, be responsible, Danmar. Do not create the trolls that you said, oh, sinasabi mo kay Cedric Manyakis, oh, wala naman pong sinasabi si Kuya Rodelio Daguman and it's not really true. Oh, he doesn't do anything at Cedric. For me, Danmar, when those people who create fake account, just be responsible. Or as I'm being responsible as a social media user or Facebook user, we have to be responsible. Facebook is not creating framing or defamation or what is that online rambulan. I know this is hard to say, Danmar. Fake account, that is a cause of cyberbullying. Fake account, it's a cause of framing others, which is called slandering. Oh, I was right. That's called slandering. That's which is called defamation. Oh, remember that, Dan Mardayaw. You should listen to Attorney Wu. Oh, Attorney Wu is autism. She knows about defamation or online defamation. Oh, Danmar, take a look. Oh, yeah, I'm saying to you, paano ba kilala si Rodelio Daguman, si Ernest Marsigan? Wala naman siyang kilala. He doesn't know him. Oh, wag ganon, I say to you, Danmar. Have mercy to that person. Maawa ka kay Rodelio because Rodelio Daguman is busy in his work. He doesn't do anything at Cedric. Like me, when I said that from Teacher May, or Teacher May says to me, fake account in Facebook, that is a cyberbullying and that is a cybercrime. She is right. That is a cybercrime.